My name is Raj. I'm the founder for a company called hospitality.com. It's hospitality with a Z. We basically are a dedicated hospitality social media platform for the industry. So it's like a combination of LinkedIn for network connections, Indeed for jobs, and Facebook Marketplace for supplier marketplace. So basically, we connect the hospitality companies and suppliers with professionals, institutes around the world. We help hotels, restaurants, airlines, travel agencies with marketing, HR, PR, recognitions, and awards. And we are very happy to be associated with CHLA. Last week, we made our website free to use. So please, everybody should create an account on the website. It's free. Publish your jobs, publish your articles, publish your announcements, publish your updates, and we'd be more than happy to share them around. We are from Dubai. We with over 1.3 million members just launched in the US, and we need your support. Thank you so much. Thank you.